Hello friends, this is Vinay and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off Focus Assist in Windows 11. So let's get started. So if you don't know, Focus Assist is a nifty feature available in Windows 11 that offers distraction-free environment by avoiding unwanted notifications so that you can properly focus on your work. So now that you are aware of a Focus Assist feature, let's learn how you can turn it on or turn it off. So right click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. Now here you need to select system tab on the left side and then on the right side you need to select Focus Assist. Under Focus Assist section you will find these three options. The first one is off. Now when you select this you will get all notification from your apps and contacts. If you select priority only you will see only selected notification from the priority list. To customize your priority list you need to click on this option. Now here on this page you can manage which notifications are allowed. The rest will go straight to notification center. Alarms will still work. So you can see that there are various options in different sections. Depending on your requirements you can select one. So once done, now if you select priority only option then it will respect your custom priority list and show you notification on the basis of the option you have selected. And the last one is alarm only. Now if you select this it will hide all notification except for the alarms. Apart from that, if you scroll down you will find this automatic rules. Now on the top of list you will find this during these times option. Now with the help of this during this time option you can set when you want focuses to turn on automatically, and for that you need to select this. Now here you need to turn it on. Now you can select start time and end time, repeats. You can select daily, weekend, weekdays, and focus level to priority or alarms only. Depending on your requirement you can make the changes. Apart from that you will find other options like when I'm only duplicating my display, when I'm playing a game, when I'm using app in full screen mode only, and for the first hour after Windows feature update. Depending on your requirement you can turn on and turn off these options. So that's it. Apart from that you can also turn on and turn off Focus Assist from quick setting panel. For that you need to click on this button available on the bottom right corner of the taskbar and you will find this Focus Assist option. Right now it is set to off. If you click once it will set to priority only and respect your custom priority list and show you notification on the basis of the option you have selected in that list. And if you click again it will set to alarm only. Now except for the alarm you will not receive any notification. So if I click once again it will set to off. So that's all about this video. These are two ways using which you can turn on and turn off Focus Assist feature in Windows 11. Give it a try. If you have any query feel free to drop in the comments. Also if you find this video useful don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.